Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the US dollar Swiss, we got a really nice new structure level right here after that push up yesterday, which is great news because if it breaks that low right there, that definitely would turn me into a bear, and I definitely would start looking for shorts. But the whole thing is that it doesn't have to do that. Just because I draw that doesn't mean that's what's going to happen. It could literally go down, make a higher low, and then just keep on trending up. Right now, I am only looking for longs unless we get that breaker structure to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got non-farm payroll news coming out today. If non-farm causes a significant break of structure and holds below structure, I will definitely start looking for shorts after the break of structure. Otherwise, anything I see to the downside, I am definitely going to be looking at is likely just a pullback within the uptrend until the market tells me otherwise, in this case by breaking this structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.